I'm going to fucking Sema. It's 9 a.m. I'm hella tired. I gotta go meet Jimmy and Victor in Ontario, and then we'll be on our way. We're gonna go convoy style. I'm not naming names, but whoever decided to meet an hour away is crazy. It was Jimmy. But anyways, I'm in my R33 GTR, Victor's in the S15, Jimmy's in his S13. So we go start making our rounds, making our way. Oh man, it's crazy. And Buddy's exhaust falls off. We're 5 miles into the trip.
Yo.
Fuck you.
First casualty of the trip.
We'll explain what was done in a second here. We're in a time crunch, so we continue on our way. Back on our way, make a slight detour to the desert.
I was passing Jimmy, and I hear my exhaust get louder, and I'm like, ooh, oh, that's a little louder. And I just see Jimmy like this. I'm like, oh, that's not good.
That was
That's not good.
craziest amount of sparks I've ever seen come from a vehicle. I thought your engine was on fire or something. I was like, uh-oh.
But luckily, there was a mobile mechanic 8 minutes away, and he was able to jack up the car. We just took the exhaust off, put it in the trunk, and then...
How much did he charge you, Vic?
$60. I put an extra $5 in there as a tip for dude coming in clutch, but yeah.
Let's go check out his exhaust. Beyond straight piped. We came to this area in the desert just to take some photos and then hightailed it all the way to Sema because we needed to pick up our passes.
Yo, we made it to Sema.
We're at fucking Sema.
We did it.
It's like 10 a.m. We didn't get our tickets yesterday, so first I need a geek bar. Let's go find a geek bar. Okay, I secure my geek bar, then I head over to Sema. Now I'm looking for Victor. He's telling me come to Hoonigan because he's busy recording, I think, a kick stream for one of his friends that's like in Hoonigan. So we're on this little booth that can only seat like 10 people, specifically for cameramen. And they're just pulling out a bunch of different trucks and American muscle cars, basically doing donuts and drifting. And I can say, wholeheartedly, without a doubt, that I contracted cancer from this. I have lung cancer now from all the pink smoke and rubber and tire debris that has been thrown into my face standing here for 6 hours. And to my surprise, the first JDM car pulls up to this pit. Get me out. It didn't make a full lap. But then Victor, like the devil on my shoulder, comes saying, let's go down to the pit. We have media passes. Do you want to lose half your lifespan? Yo, this shit was an initial D. HKS, bro. Hey man, look familiar? Yo, mine doesn't have HKS stamp. Dude, yeah, Chinese. It's like fucking Tomei USA, bro. Fuck, dude, that's so good. That's actually goated. What is this for? What do you mean, what the fuck is this for? What?
You gotta hold on to the handle.
Yeah, can you actually explain it to me?
It is not a brace, but more of like a chassis dampener.
Okay.
So it helps with like for road cars. It'll help with like handling as well as like reduce like vibration and noise.
Yeah. All right.
So basically, we're saying this is like a normal chassis.
You hold it there.
Please don't miss, bro. Please don't miss. All right. Okay. Like this?
Think of it as chassis, right? You hit a bump.
Yeah.
It vibrates quickly.
Yeah.
All right. Hold it like that. See it?
Yeah, a bit better.
Helps it vibrate. Helps a little bit.
Yeah, there's not even a ting, bro. No. Yeah, that's interesting.
It takes all of that vibration.
Wow. It's actually, that's noticeable.
It's cool.
So it would make you a lot stiffer though? You're really gonna like bounce more with that?
It shouldn't.
No?
So
You got anything else that's new?
FL5 is one that we've been working on quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
The replacement steering wheel is new. You guys in Japan worked very hard on it, and so we're able to get it here just in time to ship it.
Let's see that. Where's that? It's for the Honda Fit. Oh. It's nice so. Alcantara or what?
I believe so.
Yeah?
with the airbag still. That way you can have a nice factory-looking steering wheel and keep all the buttons.
Yeah, you don't have to lose your front teeth, man.
We need this for the R33 GTR and the S15.
Yeah, bro.
That's what we got.
You guys need to make more stuff for the GTR. You haven't done enough yet.
Last 30 years.
Yeah, you need to do more, bro.
We'll try.
I need you to talk to HQ, like actually. Any flyers or anything?
I don't. The only thing I
catalog?
have is this, and then
It's all good. If you got, I was in the cast. Disrespect. Is it actually?
Well, yeah, I think it's
Isn't Asics a fucking shoe brand? Wait, what? What the fuck? His shit's chromed. His shit's chromed. I'll put some LMGT4s on that. We're about to check that out next. Oh, they got the 40th anniversary up there.
Is that Nismo sand?
Dude, yeah. Oh shit. Yo, actually, I'm gonna buy some Nismo.
My dad would rep this so hard. He loves the puffies.
Which, yeah, no, that's actually. Isn't he in Miami?
Yeah.
He's not wearing that shit.
Yo.
Is that a cheap Wrangler, dude?
Get the fuck out.
What, bro?
Yeah, that's gonna suck.
Dude, they painted over the rust. It's just fucking about to break. That's the state of Nissan right now. Hey, bro, they're not gonna be around for like. They got 6 more months.
Instead of like the Supreme brick
This
box.
is like actually Supreme shit. Hey, fun fact. So Nismo USA is dog shit, and they rebrand SPL arms as Nismo ones. They're not made by Japan. They're not genuine. This is literally an SPL arm. I did hours of fucking research. Hours, okay? They're fake. Oh fuck yeah. Okay, here we go. All right, so we have a. Wait, they're new. They sell these new. You think I could fucking retrofit, bro? If I could put one of these into my 33 double cup holder. This is really weird. This is a really weird section to have. Yo, should we get some heads? You want a little head?
Stop. Let me put this on the S15 real quick. Yeah, why do they have an S15 shift?
Well, that's what I bought. Remember that. This is just really weird to have. I'm stealing this shit. I don't care. It's mine now. Oh, fuck yeah. So because I'm goated, I fucking pre-ordered these. We don't fuck with those ones up there. The cut, bro. Look at this. Circumcision. But I think those are the new LMGTs. They're like Neos or some shit. And I sold them immediately because I got the wrong spec because I didn't realize my car was all-wheel drive. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get a squared setup. We went to like 3 different car meets after, and they all got shut down within like 10 minutes. But these were worthwhile. It was still good to go to. After the meets, we went to some boomer party. I felt a clunk while parking there. We end up going to the casino after. I hit a super harsh bump going up the ramp. Boom! My ABS and all-wheel drive light comes on. And then I'm getting hella clunking, grinding, not good. The Ateza system in the GTR is now fucked. But I notice I can roll it around in neutral. I have to go to the trunk for the Ateza all-wheel drive system's ECU. And it flashes an LED to tell you what code error it has. I got an error 30, meaning rear right wheel sensor something is fucked. So I have to leave it at the casino overnight, roll it down, and then tow it the next morning. Shout out Victor for the help. Then we take it to the GTR graveyard, and I tell them, yo, this is what's going on. He lifts the car up, and within 10 seconds, we know my fate.
Bolt whipped around and took out his sensor. That's why it has the right rear code 30.
How did that happen? Because no one touched that. No one touched that.
Yeah, no one ever touches the rear axles.
Yeah.
The fronts go out all the time.
Magically, all 6 bolts on the rear right axle came undone, and then the axle pushed into where the ABS sensor lies, thus destroying it and putting me in constant rear-wheel drive. And after careful consideration and discussion with both Victor, Jimmy, and the mechanic, we came to one conclusion. Someone just made an attempt on my life. So I called the hotel I was staying at, we reviewed the footage together, and it was the fucking HKS guy.